Queenie, if you think I'm shitting you, no. I swear, this place is like just crazy. Look, we have loads of kubo here. I'll show you. And basta pala yan, I'll show it to you later. This is kubo number 1. Yeah, right there. It's kubo number 1. See? May room siya. It has a room. That's kubo number 2. That's like the tree house. Tree house slash kubo. Kubo. Yeah. This is the parang pavilion kubo. Ngayon dito kinaganap yung mga seminar at kung ano ng tita ko, no? Super damn crazy. There. See? And this is the resto. Yun yung entire shit ng resto. Apa? This is the entire shit of the resto. Yeah. It's not big, but it's okay, I guess. That's my tita, one sitting, and that's I think that's the manager or whatever. Yeah. And this is the huge ass kubo. O, diba? Social. Yan yung pinalalagyan nila ng aircon. Yan ang project nila. Yeah. There you go. May terrace sa taas. Like, told you, second floor, diba? So, that's the room. Hindi ko alam paano nila pagkakasya yung kama dyan kasi octagon. But anywho. And this is the grand finale. And parang, diba? As in, I told you, para naman sa painting, diba? Like, full on taniman. Yeah, there you go. It goes on and on and on and on and on. That's the way to Tarlac. No, to Baguio. And Jesus Christ, saan ka kailangan pumunta para magpa-load? Yeah. Wait, I'll go to my tita's place and I'll show you later the kubo. O yun pa pala yung mga mini kubos natin for eating. The shack. Sinigang tsaka ano, iihaw. Pang-ihaw. Ha? Baboy. Hi! That's my sister. And there you go. Ito yung house ng tita ko. Medyo maguling concept. It's like Mediterranean. Or no. It's like Victorian. Pero may kubo sa taas. I think they just can't get enough of kubos. Right there. And ito na yung grand finale niya. This is the kubo talaga. It's a huge ass kubo. Ayan na, yung nakikita mo. Yan, wait. Holy shit! Ayan. Weeds pa lang yan, Hindi pa yan yung front ng bahay. Kasi it's really a huge ass kubo. Oh shit.
And this is mine!
You know, Margo and Kiss. Look here! There. That's my siblings.
Naman siya, no? Sama kaya kami?
O paano tayo magkakasya?
Bakit? Tatlo kami tatlo. Lumago, sister, dito ako sa likod. Oh.
Kung gusto mo, kayo na lang pumunta pa.
Bakit?
Kayo na lang mamili.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi tayo magkakasya, tapos kasama pa yung mga bata. Gusto mo, kayo na lang bumili.
Dito sa tabi ni Manny, Kami
Sige ba? Kasi pera, ikaw mamimili.
Oo.
Kasi pera.
Okay, Kuya Manny.
Sige ba, dali mga mali, kasama ka lang.
Oo nga. Kaya nga.
Sige na,
O sige, kami na lang. Kami kayo naman italim kayo magkwentuhan.
Sige.
Ha?
Mama na lang kayo.
Oo.
Ihaw lang naman tsaka pang sinigang.
Tayo.
That's Kuya Boy. Hanggang sa trabaho yung tao. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandito pa. Cast, the crew. Si Sheila.
Ito naman, hindi nakatulog gabi.
Aalis po pa ninyo yung pambubilya. Para lumitaw yung
Yan si Sheila, one of the crews.
budget for lang.
Si Kuya Manny ang manager.
Bigay ko lang sa inyo.
Oh, hindi ba yung sinasabi mo nung last year?
Yan, diba? Kanya-kanyang retardedness yan.
Halika na.
Alam mo na, pasayaw namin yan nung Christmas party namin.
Nas tita ko, the owner of the...
Tara na.
Si Papa na lang daw sasama eh.
Kami na lang. Kayo na lang. Sige, kami nung tatlo. Magbabanda lang kayo.
Kasama na sa'yo.
Tara nga.
Ayan.
Maiwan ka na, Che.
Oo.
Tingin-tingin ka sa kwan. Diyan ka na lang, ikaw malaki, pwede ka dyan eh.
And yeah.
Diyan muna kayo. Hindi niya alam ang mga friends ko.
And
Ano ba si Alice?
okay, Trini, that's just about it. Bye.